How to fix Discord entry point not found. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will click just on Discord. On Discord go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.